Hi! Good day everyone. Andito ngayon ang lola nyo. Good day to the people of the universe and of course the people of the Philippines. Mostly from the Philippines. Yes. Andito ako ngayon sa Barangay Somil, Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. Yan! Ang plantation ng daddy ko sa corn plantation where we gonna do the ano yung tagtawag doon, we gonna tabas-tabas yung mga how do you call this one, yung paglagyan, we're going to tanggal-tanggal yung mga ano, yung mga anik-anik dyan, yung those sweet potato something or the malunggay kasi super robust na raw yan ang paboritong work ng dad ko and of course I'm going to accompany him para naman hindi ako magtamad-tamad dito guys. Yan dito kami ngayon sa Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. Okay, the weather is just right for me kasi ang hirap naman pag mainit dito, hindi mo ako mapalabas kasi it's burning all your whatever, masusunog ka dito guys pagka masyadong mainit. So we gonna start. Can you see the very big house there sa itaas ng bundok? Ang ganda guys yung nasa bundok na building, which you can see this one next to my side dun sa pinapagawa nating hall and the future bahay. So dito tayo sa main road of Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. So there you go, mag-uumpisa na ang dad kong nakikipag-chismisan pa ang daddy ko. So let me start doing my job na. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang gagawin ko dito mamaya. But anyway, before I start, nag-costume ako guys. Nag-costume ako kasi mahirap nang masunog ang mga skin natin ngayon kasi especially in Philippines. Yeah. Nagbundok na si Lola guys and we start to do all these things. That's my dad. He's trying to remove all the malunggay guys kasi talagang super dami ng malunggay daw, matataas na masyado and it can reach maybe the yung poste, lamp post, that the lamp post is too high. So yes, okay, that's my dad. Okay, ito ang dad ko guys. Hello to my vlog daddy. Daddy, hello.
Hello.
Yes, ayan. Yan si yan si daddy. We gonna start doing these things now. And how we start daddy? Potolin di jay? Okay, daddy have to start because I'm gonna follow what he's going to do at the moment kasi super ano na to guys. Look at that. Those corn pwede nang i-boil by next week daw. Boil. So my husband will gonna have some of the boiled coconut. And there you go. May flour na rin pala. It's floury. Sabsabong miten. Agbungbunga ka nun guys. So guys, I have to speak both languages kasi most of you still cannot understand my own language. So mag-Ilocano na lang ako guys. So there you go. This is my dad. And here's my OOT today. Ito ngayon si Lola nyo mag-farming. And this normally the Philippine style of cutting the grass. Ganito yan guys. Yes. So we can drag all these things like this. This is the main road guys. We're going to start doing all these things. There you go. Diba? Dad is going to open the gate. So I don't know what he's gonna do there.
Sugot na gito eh.
So dad is doing his job. Teka yan sige lang. Anya ngayon ano nila. Isara kaya tayo?
Ito mo di apet teror na.
Ito it's outside.
Madi ako kigmura ki ko na eskwelahan. Lupa.
Doon daw sa loob daw pala ang gagawin. Yes, my dad's cutting those.
Kasama din may katong nga dati de.
This one need to cut guys.
May apa nga ide ka aman dyan. Tinagpat ka naman ta.
Yes, look at this. Itatapon lang itong malunggay guys. Itatapon lang ito sa garden. Saan pa yun? I go to the other side because daddy said is going to do that side. There you go. I have to start. Batoy, putulin pa.
Mulod ka naman ang mabaling.
Madamdaman ton. This one to cut this one. Dad is asking me to go to the inside one. Pero hindi naririnig yung boses ko dyan. Doon sa loob. Sa dito muna ako. Look at this! Diba? Tinatapon lang ang malunggay dito sa Pilipinas. And guys, kung pwede ko lang iuwi to at itinda, I'll do it. Yan. Look at this! I can fly with this one. We are along the road, guys, kaya maraming car, maraming bisikleta. Di bala ng ulam yung mga taong walang ulam. So they normally get their food here. They normally get their food for ulam here. Pero my dad's not happy kasi hindi rin maganda ang apekto ng mga corn niya doon sa loob. So we better remove all these things. O malunggay, guys. So this one cannot throw on the road, so put into your inside the property. Masakit, nasaktan ako dun. Pero it's fun guys. Parang pinakakay mo yung bago. Diba? Ang saya? Oh my God, I have to live like this in my life. My dad will give me salary today. Daddy, right? Maybe my salary is 60 pesos per day. I don't know the salary of the local here. So, ito, sinasamahan ko.
Buwatan tayo, ma'am.
Kalbuin nyo pa?
Kaya dubduble lang ito nagtrataw. Ano problema? Kalbuan lang ka talaga.
Oh, they really kalbo this one, guys.
Tubo na eh.
There you go. That's my dad's favorite job. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda raw na. Yung gusto niya yung nakikita lahat. Yung corn niya. Kasi it affects daw yung prutas ng corn niya. So, ganyan ang gusto niya, guys. There you go. Gusto niya yung corn niya nakikita, guys. And here we go again. Here we go again. I have to start this side. That's my dad. Look at that. So, I have to stay here. Alam niyo guys, ang malunggay sa Pilipinas, tinatapon lang. While in the Hong Kong, while in Hong Kong, this is really expensive, right? So, yun. So, we're cutting every part of the, we're cutting all the way down to, yes. Yan ang dad ko, that's his favorite exercise in the morning, guys. So dito na rin ako kasi he insisted that I have to move this side kasi baka raw kami. Diba? Look at this. Ito na ang ginagawa ng mga taga-bundok kagaya ko, guys. So there you go. Wala nang abroad dyan. Ang pag-abroad kasi eventually, parehas din ang trabaho. Babalik ka rin. Diba? Oy, look at this marunggay, guys. This already $20-30 in the worldwide. Diba? So, ang bilis naman mag-cut ng trees si Daddy. So, there you go. I have to end this video na kasi naboboring na kayong nagtitingin-tingin sa akin, guys. So, okay. Before I forget, dito na lang ako sa tree na to. So, hindi na rin pala marami. Isa lang. Ito ngayon. So, before I end this video, thank you for watching, guys. And hopefully, I'll give you an inspiration na kahit nasa abroad tayo, we still go back where we belong. Dito pa rin tayo. O, tignan nyo guys, very fresh. Dito pa rin tayo sa bundok. Nagpapatay ng mga halaman, ng mga malunggay. Kasi it affects the vitamins of the corn daw. Yun ang iniisip ng dad ko. Kaya, so, yun lang. Thank you for watching, guys, and that's all for today. Ang iniinit din kaya, guys. So, that's all for today's vlog, guys. So, hope to see you again. At I have to continue this job now with my dad. Now, say bye-bye, Daddy na. Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye. That's my favorite. That's the favorite job of my dad. So that's it for today. I love you all. Hope that you're having a good health and good job and everything good. Sana naman I'll give you an inspiration kasi babalik din tayo sa kung saan tayo nanggaling. Oo, kung mga taga Manila ka man, we live the same life as it says. Kaya kung meron man tayong kapital, you save a little bit of your salary kasi hindi iisa ang, how to say it, we're not strong all the time, di ba? So, masasabi ko lang, take care of yourself. Ang super init. Oh, magkakalbo na ako. Take care of your health and save for the salary in the future. Ayun, taga-bundok pa rin tayo. And of course, here you go again all the time. I'm here. Yan ang corn plantation ng Daddy. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to pray out there. And please, love your family, love your partner. Eventually, you're the one together at the end. Of course, ang mga anak nyo, love nyo rin while they cannot do anything yet. Pero pag nakaahon na sila, bye-bye na parents. Kaya yan, save for yourself also, for both of you. Kasi huwag mong asahan yung mga anak mo, nagbibigyan ka rin at the end, di ba? Not all of them, pero karamihan, guys. So take care of yourself, guys. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe, comments, like, and share. Yun lang masasabi ko, guys. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.